Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some busing right now, and everybody loves busing, but we're just going to ignore this first bit right here because nothing can be multiplied to it to get 1. And we're just going to, I guess we'll do it like this. And we're just going to build a insta-carry adder, but we're only going to do half of it, or we'll do 1 bit of it and then stack it 2 extra times. So hopefully everybody's familiar with that. If not, I will have a video coming out. And if you're a quick learner, then you should be able to catch on pretty quick on what I'm doing. If you don't know what this is an XOR, and it's not my design, so I don't want to take credit for it or anything. But it's a pretty cool XOR design. It's 2-tick. You can use a 1-tick if you really felt that you had to, but this works just fine. And I guess this will come like this. And then we have that. So now we have an XOR, if you don't believe me, or an XNOR, I should say. Oh, I see. I'm dumb. Off, off, back on. So that's all that is. Then what we're going to do is this is going to end up coming down one like this, and then coming up. And we're going to put a torch like that. And I guess we'll come over to like that. And then this is going to come up like that. This is laying out pretty good. Need a piston. Sticky piston. Don't need any redstone blocks for this, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Yeah, that's why we do this. But I think it needs to, yeah, I'll do it up one higher. So it's going to be like this. So now we have that. And now if we want to make sure that piston actually works, so sometimes pistons are buggy. So it works. So then that's going to come out here. And here I guess we'll just stack. So I guess we'll do whoops. Position 1 over that. Oh, and for stacking purposes we need to do this. Position 2 I guess will be here. Whoops. I'm gonna have to stack 2. Well, I'm a derp. Let's try that again. Oh, because I'm dumb. Position 2 here. Then stack 2. So now I guess we have some sort of half adder mechanism now. Just want to remove all those pistons and then replace them like that. This is the carry. We'll do it one more time. That's right. We're gonna need to stack 3 times. It's getting dark. So now we want to make sure all these are there. Everything looks good. We can remove that. And we're gonna want to do this right here. And this is gonna be our carry out. And then now for one last XOR that we're gonna have to do, this is gonna have to come here. Well, first we have to plan out like this. Nope. Yep, so this will work, and this will, because these can't mix together. So we're going to do that, and then I guess that's all good from there. Yeah, let's get everything lined up here. So we're going to want everything done like that. And there we go. That'll do that. And we'll just do it like this. And you may be wondering why we're building another XNOR. Well, because we had an XNOR in the beginning and we're having an XNOR coming out, they invert each other and they become just a regular XOR in the output. If you don't understand that, there will be a video coming out on an instant carry ALU, and it'll go over this type of XOR. But here's another way of building it. So we only need that, and we'll just I'll try not to mess up world editing. And then we'll stack 3. So we'll just do that. And you may see that there's nothing to come in. Oh, this one needs to be lowered one, like this. And then we could hook up all these. So this is hooked up there. Oh, we can do this. Okay. And then this one's gonna have to come up here. If I do that, then I could do that. So that works. So I guess we'll just repeat that design over. I know we stacked a certain way for a reason, but it didn't work, so that's hooked up. And then that's hooked up. And then this is going to the wrong one, so and this will just come there. And then we have our carry out. And we'll do it just like this because we want all our bits to stay aligned. And we'll just do that, and actually we're probably going to need a repeater there, so we'll just do that. Actually, we'll put the repeater here because we're going to be getting weak signal if we propagate through everything. Why isn't this hooked up? Oh, because I didn't hook it up. And then there. That's all hooked up, working, and we should be getting nothing out. So now I can multiply anything by 1. So I'll go ahead and flip down this 1. I could do that. Okay. So 1 times 5 is there. What's going on here? Oh, because for some reason I don't have... Oh, because when I did world edit, I guess it got messed up. Correction. We can do up to 3 times 3. Because how that works is we have this one here. What is going on? Oh, because I don't have 3 there. I guess I'll separate this like that. Okay, so we have 3 there and 3 there. How that works is it lights up these 2 and these 2. So as you'll see, we'll get this bit here and that one there. So that's the 1. This is 2. This is 4, and that's 8. So we have 1 and 8, which make 9. So we got that part done. Alright guys, and I'm back, and if you don't have world edit, I'm sorry, but I'm going to world edit this, so I'm going to do position 1 here, and I already set up where all my blocks had to be, and I'm going to do position 2 here. I'm going to copy from this right here. So we have that. So now that's in our clipboard. All we're going to do is going to come over here and we're going to bring everything up by 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is mainly so the bottom of the ALU that we're, or about the bottom of the next adder of this adder that we're going to paste here doesn't interfere with anything else. Oh, and see, this is why we don't build anything right away, because it might be stupid, and I might be stupid and try to do something that's not going to work. So I'm sure this is going to take a couple tries to do, because I haven't really built one using World Edit. That last one I did over there with the instant redstone mod, it was done without World Edit because I didn't have World Edit installed with that mod. So imagine how fun that was. Oh, this one's not a bit here. And we're 2/3 of the way done now. You may not believe me because I know they look more complicated, but it's pretty much done. So we got this. I think I'll just bring it up one more. And since I copied from there, I will paste from here. Let's hope this doesn't mess anything up. Please don't. And it did not, so we're just clearing this here. So that's good, lucky. As you see, all our bits are still aligned, so this one aligns with that. So as you notice, it goes 1, 2, 4. This 4th bit here, if you follow here, is here. So it lines up there, so that's our 1, 2, 4. So 4 and everything lines up, which is fantastic. So that just means less work in the end that we have to do. But I have to hook up all of this because it just did not want to do this. Oh. That's fantastic. Alright, we're going to have to do... This is going to have to be done like that. And it's going to have to be blocked off there. So there we go. Don't know why that was bugging up. Reset the time. Oh, come on. I guess we can do this. This is going to slow it down, but I don't feel like having to re-world edit it. You can always re-world edit it, but I'm not going to because I don't feel like it. And that one doesn't interfere. And this one doesn't interfere. So like you see, we have nothing. So now all our bits are aligned. Everything's aligned perfect. And now we can go on, well, I guess I'll demonstrate. So now we could do 3 times 4. Just for example. So this 3 is only going to be on this 4 line. If we follow this up, it's outputting a 4, and it's outputting an 8. 4 and 8 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So that's working. Next is just finishing it up.